What's up guys? So I wasn't planning on making this video, but as you can see the Ford standing right down there, I have to take off the rear silencer, cause for the OGs of the channel that would know, there's always been like a little tingle in the exhaust, and it's actually a weld that broke off from the hanger that they put on, which they put on the wrong place. But the back box broke further, so I'm just going to do a little startup. It's basically a cold start and then give it a few revs so you guys can hear what it sounds like currently. And for the guys who've watched the previous videos, you will know what the car sounds when the back box is proper. But just going to give it a few revs, take off the back box. So yeah, let me know what you think of the sound of it now. And then I'm also going to take it for a drive and a rev once the back box is off, which is super loud because I have driven like that before. But let me get some clips of it as it is now. There's the little babes. So please let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about the wheels. For those of you that haven't commented or seen the video, I will link it up top of the new wheels. Please also let me know what you guys think. Should I keep the old wheels or should I keep the new wheels? I kind of dig these. They've grown on me. But yeah, let me know and let's get some cold starts. I think it still sounds pretty decent even though it has a hole in, but it has to get welded, otherwise I'm scared the box is going to fall off as I drive. So yeah, let's get in underneath the car and take off the box quickly. Okay, so you guys are getting a front seat view, taking off those nuts. It's a 15. Let's get this ratchet on. To grab little extension. What am I doing, lad? Yeah, man. Trying to get this off, man. So I took off the back hanger to be able to reach this bolt. It seems I got it loose now. It's just the slow process. I'm almost there. And off she is. There we go. I can show you guys. Before I show you guys the extent of the damage, I got some damage. This aluminium is, stainless steel is super sharp. So guys, this is why I suggest strongly going to a reputable installer when you're doing an exhaust or something like that. I did this in a rush when I was younger. You guys know how excited I was for this box, and it's absolutely destroyed, as you can see here. The guys made a terrible mess, so there should have been a bar that ran across for them to weld this to, but instead they welded it straight to the box, which ended up causing that tingling noise. And then this is the other part that's pretty damaged. This is the other part that's damaged. So keep in mind, I've had this box on the car for I think like 5 years now, so it's actually done pretty well. Love the Canon tip. My neighbor's gonna weld this up for me for time being until I can get a new box. I know there are a few guys selling HKS boxes, so if I can get that, I will be super happy. But Now for the real damage to our eardrums. Let's go, mate. It's actually not as bad as I thought it was, but let's go for a drive. Okay guys, first drive without the back box. I'm sorry if it's gonna be a bit shaky. You guys are stuck to my vent, but it actually doesn't sound too bad. I think initial time when I fitted the branches, it was so loud because the back box that I bought is completely hollow, and this silencer or resonator that I have on, I think has some fiberglass in as well. So I'm excited to hear what it's going to sound like under load, and if it's not too loud. If it isn't too loud, I'm going to leave it like this and just put a tailpiece on, and it'll be gone with the big tailpiece. Let me know what you guys think, if you're for the big tailpiece or not for the big tailpiece. Yeah, obviously I love the look of it, but if this isn't as loud, then I think it might be time for change, guys. Maybe I'm just getting old. Let's drive a bit and see what she sounds like. Initial thoughts, not bad, but let's give her a bit of a rip in second gear. Sorry for the bumpiness, but I'm trying. Honestly, actually quieter than with the back box. I don't know how that's possible. I don't know the physics of it, but I don't know how it's quieter than with the back box. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed, guys. Maybe it might stay like this, just add a nice tailpiece and go from there. But we've got another nice little piece of road here, so let's... Man, the rides are just terrible, man. But let's go. Actually not backfiring as it usually did, which is weird. There we go. But everything's underneath the car now, so I don't know. Yeah, you know it's good when a car puts a smile on your face, but I don't know. This is up to you guys. Should I put the big back box back? Should I invest in another one, or should I just keep it as it is and just put a nice tailpiece on? I love it when people don't use the indicators. But I'm just gonna get back home quickly and let my dad stand outside so I can get a few flybys for you guys, and then you can let me know what you think, guys. I think it sounds pretty dope. It's got a more throaty sound. It's got a lot more throaty sound than with the back box, so that's not a bad thing. But yeah, let's get some drive-bys for you guys. Okay guys, so there you go, nice short little video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Should I get a new JDM back box, or should I just put an 80mm pipe from the flange there? Yeah, both the babies are behind me. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. I think it sounds pretty cool. Looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say. But thank you for tuning into another short little video. I'll see you guys soon. Cheers. Memphis, man.